Yeah, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to my son's birthday party, Travis Lubama. It's a good evening here at Shining Star. I welcome you all to this fantastic party. Sorry to say I'm going to be saying a few words because I think my wife, she has almost said it alone. But you say that I'm under pressure, which is okay. But anyway, the Lubamas, it's really a unique family because I've really worked hard for it. I came to Denmark when I was young. When I came to Denmark, life was tough, and the first person I met when I came to Denmark was that lady over there, Betty Kasule. That's the first lady I met. She introduced me to Denmark, and she helped me a lot of things. As I was growing, I met another lady called Gertrude, but I think she's gone. She became my friend. Then she was telling me a lot of things, how to be a man, this and that. I kept on growing, struggled. Then I flew back to Uganda to visit my family. The first time when I went to Uganda, I met Lillian. Eventually, she ended up in Denmark. And these are the products, Travis and Travia. Yeah, basically I grew up with my mom, and my mom used to tell me a lot of things. She's coming from a very powerful and very strong family, and there are a lot of examples, and I really wanted to be like them. So I kept on struggling and kept on struggling. I took education. My wife now, she has also one. Travis is also struggling. He wants to become a doctor, and he's going to one of the best gymnasium here in Denmark, which is Sopato. Everybody knows that gymnasium. Am I saying the right thing? Sopato. Okay. That gymnasium, it's really very good because Travis to make it there, he had to have very high grades, and Travis was in a school called Gideon School, which is a private school. I said to myself, I don't want to get rich, but let me invest all my money in education. So I decided not to build houses and all this. I'm now starting to do that after when Travis and almost 12 years getting out of this. So the Lubama family is a very unique family as far as that is concerned. The rest I also want to talk in Uganda because I have an uncle who is living in Australia. His name is Dr. Gregingi. He told me that if you want to have clever children, you have to teach them their mother language, and I did so. And Travis is almost fluent in Luganda. He can speak Luganda, he can write it, and he can even read it. Yeah. Basebe ne banyabo nsanyusa nnyo okubalaba okuba nti muzze okutusanyukirako olwa mutabani waffe ono wezezza emyaka 18 afuse musajja naye nga era namunnyonnyola nti omuntu bw'okula n'oweza emyaka 18 olina there are some responsibilities by'olina okukola ki okukola okulaga nti ddala now you are a man. One of them is because bw'oba omaze okusoma nga oli mu gymnasium olina okumakinga sure nti you read more, you struggle fenga fe Uganda bwe tubeera nti abaana basoma ne bagenda mu projects ne bakola biki paka lwe bagenda ku universities eventually n'okimakinga n'osobola okukola ki okufuukayo doctor ekyo kyoyagala, and I think ojja kukifuuka because I know you are very intelligent. So ekirala kyensanyukira nti n'oyogera Oluganda era olutegeera bulungi. Tulina n'omusajja wa Kabaka ali wali anko wange Kabaka yamulonda kale kikyesimisa okubeera nti no tumulina ate era naye ali mu family ate ekyo kyagenda okujja ng'olwedde n'omwana ayogera Oluganda, so that means nti emmengo era bagwaniriza nga ate wazaalibwa eno Bulaaya. Si kyangu kubanga n'abaana b'e Uganda abasinga tebakyasobola n'okwogera Luganda. Ekirala nebaza mukyala wange Lilian okubeera nti ambeereddewo emyaka gino gyonna, kubanga mukyala mulungi talina buzibu, mbadde naye emyaka gyonna era nga ndowooza mama wange yakakonyeeko nti siri musajja mwangu, era siri musajja mwangu bana neddira fumbe, ate bano beddira mmere tugirya buli, so beddira kkobe, kale efumbe siryangu naye webale kumbeererawo emyaka gino gyonna tuli myaka mingi. Ndowooza byebyo, nsanyusa nnyo okubalaba, mwebale butangiwa ne mubanga muzze ne tuliira wamu ne tusanyukira wamu. Family yange evudde ewala, abavudde Sweden, London, mukwano gwange David twasoma nayo ne bamuzaalira Bungereza n'amala n'akomawo Uganda ng'alina emyaka oba gwali gumu gokka, ne tubeera ba mukwano, twasoma ffenna. Then n'akomawo e London nga maze S4 nange nenzija mu Denmark. So yeah, the party starts officially.